Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. This time I will bring you a personal project that took me months to finish and now I can share it. It is a visual and aesthetical transformation of a 1979 VW Bug, a true classic that has stood the test of time, but it's time to take it to the next level. And believe me, it has been many hours of work for the entire team that accompanied me on this journey. From carpenters, mechanics, electricians, associated projects, and a visual artist who gave the great finishing touches. As much as we love the vintage charm of this Bug, it's ready for a modern makeover. We're going to turn this simple, iconic ride into a customized, high-chill place with a sleek, contemporary look. Stay tuned. Today you will see a metamorphosis from the past to the future, from a simple bus to a comfortable living space. And if you think this looks good, wait to see the end result.
Wow.
The restoration begins where all journeys do, with light and energy. Years of neglect left the bus's electrical system in disarray. Tangled wires, failing connections, and flickering bulbs told their tale. Every circuit was tested, every wire replaced, and slowly, the headlights blazed brightly once more, a sign of progress in the journey ahead. Light returned to the bus. Once powered, it was time to clear the canvas. Piece by piece, the old furniture was carefully stripped away, revealing the bare bones of this classic frame. To create a quiet, insulated space, every surface was meticulously covered with Kilmat Sound deadener. This vital step ensured a foundation that was not only solid, but ready to support the artistry of the carpentry to come. Enter Robert, a master upholsterer from Cuba whose craftsmanship is nothing short of amazing. Known for his impeccable work on luxury boats and select classic cars, its pure expression. His eye for detail and passion for custom carpentry have earned him a place among the finest in his craft. Every stitch, every curve, and every polished surface tells a story of dedication and skill. His touch transformed the bus into a work of art. A testament to his Cuban heritage and his relentless pursuit of excellence.
Rick is kind of like the person who put all this together. He contacted me via Facebook and he wanted to do a trade for another car that I had. And we wound up not doing a trade, we wound up doing kind of like a swap, you know, my car for a paint job. He introduced me to this artist, and Fabio has following to do very custom paint jobs. He's not your average painter, so don't bring your car here to get it painted white because he's not going to do that.
The bus is probably one of the last projects that Fabio's gonna do as far as customization painting. because we work on antique vehicles like original and supercars. We're not like gonna do customization on cars, but we're gonna do pretty much like make them beautiful before we put it inside the container. And Dios had a perfect idea. So listen, instead of us do the trade, why don't you paint the bus? I said, man, you know what? Let's do it. And that's how everything started. The moment we saw the bus for the first time, then Fabio started looking to the project. He took your bus to the heart. That's the difference, because he goes, Rick, you know, we don't do customizations anymore. But for Dios, I'm gonna do something special. So he spent hours and hours and hours, and we didn't want to tell you. He was drawing up, like he's thinking, asking about colors. And when the moment we got the bus here, we stopped and he stayed about an hour looking around the bus, going over, trying to find out what was the whole idea. The bus came in as pretty much like a whitish, beige original color.
Right.
And it came with a tinted black,
windows, right?
with a chrome wheels, chrome headlights, and so on. So right there, Fabio knew what it needed to be done. I think it's time for you guys
to reveal the bus.
I can't say anymore. Right?
All right, let's go.
It.
Let's do this.
Ready? Come on, guys. Come on in. ¿Qué pasa? Okay, Dios. Hold on. The hat.
Me prepararon la gorra y todo.
Fabio, ready? Você puxa aqui? Vem cá, puxa aqui, eu puxo lá. Puxa aqui. Dios, you ready?
I'm ready.
You ready? 1, 2, 3, let's go!
Oh my God. Wow. Wow. This is beautiful. This is different. I haven't seen anything like this for sure.
Uh-huh.
And I see you got some inspiration from the t-shirt inside the car.
That's right, man.
Fabio.
That's okay. That's okay. Obrigado.
I love it. I love it.
Dios. O que eu falei pra você? O que eu falei pra você? I told him you would cry when you see it, man. And you should, man. This is gorgeous, beautiful. This is something totally unique. Remember the holes on the front bumper?
Yeah.
We didn't want to tell you. It's fixed. Of course you're not gonna leave that hole in there, man.
I love it. Oh my God.
See the headlights?
I like it.
I love it.
Thank you.
Like is not the word.
The idea.
I love the bike. I love.
We know you take the bus to the shows and so on, but at the same time now you're able to enjoy it. Take the kids, the wife, the family for the weekend. You drive it and take it to the show. It's something very unique, very with a purpose. Something you're never gonna see anything like this on the road.
Nope. Look, it has like the pearl.
Yep.
It's a pearl
This
white.
is a customization from Fabio. This color does not exist. He put together. When you take this bus outside, you're gonna see how everything's gonna pop.
Wow, the bumpers. I mean, it's like.
Whew.
I didn't expect it. I'll tell you. So that was fun. I want to thank everybody for watching this video, for those that made this transformation happen. I'm going to leave
The name of our sponsors, the people that were involved, I'm going to leave it next. So stay tuned for that. Please hit the subscribe button. Please comment whether you like the bus, you don't like the bus, or what you thought about the whole thing. Okay? So hit your notification. We'll see you soon, and cheers.
Como tú sabes que la gente a veces tú tienes alfombra negra y lo que quieren es rojo. Y tienen la roja y no, yo quiero
quiero la
blanco.
negra.
Y así es, ¿no?
Yo decía, oh my God, no sé qué esperar.
Tú no dormí, imagínate yo.